Selective Color is a powerful tool and a great addition to the editing mode here in Photos. There are 7 preset colors here to choose from, or we can choose a specific color from the image with the eyedropper. I'll start by selecting the yellows. Now in the sliders below, I can adjust only the yellows in the image. With the hue slider, we can make the yellows more green or more magenta. Use saturation to adjust the intensity of the selected color, and luminance to adjust its brightness. The range slider will let you either decrease how many shades of yellow are affected, or increase it to affect more yellows. I'm going to tweak the reds in this image a bit as well. Reducing the range for both of these colors will avoid moving the shade of the color in the sky too much. Now let's jump over to this image of tulips. Rather than adjusting one of the preset colors, let's use the eyedropper to select a specific color from the image. The color that I select will take the spot of the currently selected color here. So when doing this, it's good to choose the color closest to what you're planning to select. For this one, that could be red or magenta. I'll stick with magenta. Then I'm going to grab the eyedropper and select the color in one of the tulip petals. That color is added to the palette here, and I can now adjust its sliders. I'm going to do the same for the green leaves. Learn much more in our full Photos for Mac tutorials available at themacu.com.